Getting back with an ex can be a complex and delicate process. It's important to remember that not all relationships are meant to be rekindled, and there are certain situations where moving on may be the healthier choice. However, if you genuinely believe that giving your relationship another try is worth it, here are some steps to consider. Reflect on the breakup. Take some time to understand why the relationship ended in the first place. Be honest with yourself about the issues and mistakes that contributed to the breakup. This reflection will help you identify what needs to change for the relationship to work again. Give each other space. After a breakup, it's essential to give both yourself and your ex some space and time to heal and gain perspective. Jumping back into the relationship without addressing the underlying problems is likely to lead to the same issues. Work on personal growth. Focus on self-improvement during the break. Consider therapy or counseling to work on any personal issues that might have impacted the relationship. This will not only help you as an individual but also make you a better partner if you decide to get back together. Evaluate your motives. Ask yourself why you want to get back with your ex. Is it because you genuinely love them and believe the relationship can work, or are you feeling lonely or afraid of being single? Ensure your intentions are sincere and healthy. Initiate communication. If you both have had enough time to heal and reflect, and you genuinely want to try again, initiate contact in a non-intrusive way. A casual message asking how they are doing or sharing something that reminded you of them can be a good start. Meet as friends. Plan a casual meetup in a public place as friends. Keep the atmosphere light and friendly without diving into deep relationship discussions immediately. Be honest and open. When you both feel comfortable, have an honest conversation about your feelings and thoughts regarding the relationship. Avoid blaming each other and instead focus on discussing the issues and potential solutions. Take it slow. If both of you agree to give the relationship another shot, take it slow. Don't rush into things as if nothing happened. Rebuild trust and emotional connection gradually. Address past issues. As you start dating again, address the problems that led to the breakup. Communication is key in resolving conflicts and understanding each other's needs. Seek relationship counseling. If the issues are complex or difficult to handle alone, consider seeking professional help through couples counseling. A therapist can provide guidance and facilitate communication in a constructive manner. Be patient and realistic. Rebuilding a relationship takes time and effort from both parties. Be patient and don't expect everything to be perfect immediately. Understand that it might not work out, and be prepared for that possibility. Show appreciation and affection. Once you're back together, continue to show love, appreciation, and affection. Small gestures can go a long way in nurturing the relationship. Remember, getting back with an ex can be a challenging journey, and it's not guaranteed to succeed. Be prepared for any outcome and be kind to yourself throughout the process. Sometimes, relationships end for a reason, and it's essential to be open to the possibility of finding happiness elsewhere if rekindling the past doesn't work out. Did you enjoy the video? Let me know in the comments below what you thought and if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. If you like what you are seeing, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support helps me create more great content. Thanks for watching.